Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a diagram in draw.io. So I've created all kinds of diagrams, and to create one, all you need to do is click here on File, click on New, and then a new diagram is currently opening up. Let me show you how to create a new page. So you come to the bottom left, click on Insert a Page, and we have a new page to use for making our diagram. Now, once this loads up, we can come here on the left-hand panel and click on More Shapes, and you can toggle any of these on to add these shapes on the left-hand panel. So let's add Android, and if you're creating a data flow diagram, you can toggle this on, or an entity relation diagram, or UML class diagrams, right? You just toggle these on and then click here on Apply, and they will actually show up here on the left-hand panel. So let's say we are creating a data flow diagram, right? You can come here, click on this arrow to give you a drop down, and you can bring in, let's say, your start or end point. Then to go ahead and add text, you can just double click on it and let's say start, right? And then if I click on this shape here, you'll see style options as well. So you can change colors for these shapes as well. Now, let's say we want to add a, activity or process. So there we go. I'll bring in this shape right here. And to go ahead and connect them with an arrow, if I hover over this shape, you'll see different connection points, right? So I'll come to this connection point, and when I hover my mouse over there, you can see there's a green circle. So I can click here and drag an arrow out, and I can even connect it to this shape right here. As you can see right now, there's a green circle, meaning if I leave my mouse button, this will actually connect. Now I can connect it to any of these connection points. I'll connect it right here. And as you can see, these shapes are actually linked. So right now I can go to name this one, let's say process. Okay. Same thing, you can go ahead and change the color of this as well. And we can also change the color of the arrow, by the way, if you would like to do that. What you can also do, you can come here, click on Arrange, click on Insert, and then you can click on a template to get different templates depending on what you were trying to achieve, and you can work using that. So let's say you wanted to create a flowchart, you can click on this and click on Insert, or let's do from here, click on Cloud. Let's get an AWS network template, okay? So we'll pick this one here, and then we'll click on Insert. And here we go. That's literally all you have to do to use these templates, as you can see. So that is how you can create diagrams in draw.io.